Hi, Tess Choi here, coming to you from Atlanta, Georgia. What is the Prosperity Team? We are a team of savvy, like-minded entrepreneurs who are leading the way toward a more successful tomorrow and prosperous life for you and your family. We're also considered one of the most actively engaged and sought-after team inside the Empower Network community because we give you a 100% hand-on, up-to-date and practical approach toward delivering real results in your Empower Network business. And we currently have 40 of the company's top 100 leaders within the Prosperity Team to provide you with an enormous amount of training and support in addition to what you will get from the Empower Network's product. And that includes live daily webinars with the top leaders on our team where we give you step-by-step assignments to complete every day, conference calls, a private audio library over the shoulder, video training, marketing tools, done-for-you traffic co-ops, and the opportunity to see what real six-figure earners are doing every day so you can legally steal their secrets. Plus, we're just a fun and motivated group to be around with. And to know more about what the Prosperity Team has to offer you for 100% free, check out my other video titled The Empower Network Prosperity Team on YouTube or my blog, links below. And if you're ready to roll with us, enter your information somewhere on this site and click the button to join our team right now. Thank you, and I appreciate your time. If you like this video, share it, tweet it, and comment below. Let me know, and hope to talk with you really soon. Bye-bye.